To get the most out of a Fidelity cash management account, it is essential to understand the key concepts and best practices involved. First, a Fidelity cash management account is a type of brokerage account that allows you to manage your cash and investments in one place. It offers a range of benefits, including competitive interest rates, low fees, and convenient online access. The first step in using a Fidelity cash management account effectively is to set clear financial goals. This will help you determine how much cash to keep in the account and how to allocate your investments. For example, if you are saving for a short-term goal, such as a down payment on a house, you may want to keep a larger portion of your cash in a low-risk investment, such as a money market fund. Next, it is crucial to understand the different investment options available within a Fidelity cash management account. These may include high-yield savings accounts, money market funds, and short-term bond funds. Each of these options has its own unique characteristics, such as interest rates, fees, and risk levels. For instance, a high-yield savings account may offer a higher interest rate than a traditional savings account, but may also come with some restrictions on withdrawals. Another important aspect of managing a Fidelity cash management account is to monitor and adjust your account regularly. This includes keeping track of your account balance, interest rates, and investment performance. You should also review your account fees and charges to ensure that you are not paying unnecessary expenses. For example, you may want to consider consolidating your accounts or switching to a lower fee investment option. In addition to these best practices, there are several key concepts to keep in mind when using a Fidelity cash management account. One of these is the concept of liquidity, which refers to the ability to access your cash quickly and easily. Another important concept is diversification, which involves spreading your investments across different asset classes to minimize risk. By following these best practices and understanding the key concepts involved, you can get the most out of your Fidelity cash management account and achieve your financial goals. This includes setting clear financial goals, understanding your investment options, monitoring and adjusting your account regularly, and maintaining liquidity and diversification in your portfolio. By taking a proactive and informed approach to managing your Fidelity cash management account, you can make the most of your money and secure your financial future.